tubing. Modern. Para kung naglagay ng... What do you think this is? Tapos may babad pa siya para bukas, oh. Yung pork. Tapos na yung chicken. Ay, hindi pala. Pork mo na, no? Oo, tapos yan, no? Ibababad niya pa yan for tomorrow.
Bukas.
Nag-drive ng truck ni Victor. Oh, kamusta Mr. V?
Ito.
Kanina ka pang umaga dyan. 9:30. Nya ngay Victor, kaya pa eh?
Kaya? May sapay ko na lang.
Yan o, happy birthday Uncle. Uncle Tony. Oh.
Oo, pala no. Happy birthday, Uncle.
Naman.
Thank you. Ilan sila ng birthday?
Sila ni Uncle Benny. Ano nga ito? Papa Eats. Ay, nandun yung Fisher Bile.
Dali, standby ito. Ang galing to? Ano yan?
Seafood City.
Ano ba seafood? Eh, yung ngayon galing, yung sinasabi ko eh.
Okay, yung ano?
Yung totoong...
Ay, yung kilawen? Wala, nagkulang talaga yung ano.
Hindi ko ito. Hindi makan.
Happy birthday to you.
Good.
Diba kasi maluto? Wow. Galing naman. Oh, Uncle, dapat dun kayo kasi happy birthday to you. Wow. Ano, parang naman tempting yung balat talaga. Oh.
Look at that, man.
Wow.
What's that?
Lechon belly.
How do you want to touch this?
Lechon without the ulo.
Parang boneless na.
Oo nga. Okay. Ilagay mo na?
Ayan.
Lalo sa baboy.
Yan, masarap, malutong. Handa ni Uncle. Malutong, oh. Nacionales Bibingka from La Union. See that? Oh my gosh. So good.
So we can eat the cake already.
Let's have some. Happy birthday na.
Come on. We only have one. We only have one candle, so we designated Uncle Tony to be the blower.
Dalawa na lang
Because he cannot blow anymore. Yeah. Yeah.
Ay, teka, yung ano pala.
Aliit naman yan. Can you manage to blow that one out? So that's why Uncle Tony is the designated blower. Asan yung may papa eh? Bom. Meron na. Ayun. Kasi kanina wala eh.
Okay, kuha naman lahat, oh. Sige.
Okay, make it fast. Happy birthday. Wala bang mas mali ako sa Wait, hold on. We have to wait for the blower.
Okay, go ahead.
Go ahead, he's ready now.
Camera's right
Sige.
here, ah. O kaya tayo.
Go. Ready, set, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Uncle Benny, Uncle Tony, and all the August birthday.
Picture ah.
Hey, you have to put it close to him.
Happy birthday.
Ayan, meron ng papait.
Oh my God!
Smile, auntie. Ganda talaga eh. Ano yan? Anong wow, puto. Slice na, slice.
Oh, yeah, yes.
Smile. O, tingin dito, uncle. Smile.
Ito mo natin.
O, sis, o. May puto si auntie. Tapos may leche flan doon. Puto flan.
Plan.
Wow, si Mother! Andyan na!
Don't touch that one.
Who has a beer here? No, you only pick one.
No, you cannot leave here. Who's handsome? Me or this ugly guy here? Tell me.
Mahilig siya sa Cheers. Happy birthday. Happy 80th. Yay.
Inaanak niya yung sa kasal si June eh.
Ninong na, kumpare pa. Best friend pa. Lahat na. All in one.
Hi, beautiful. Oo nga.
He's sailing. He's on the sea somewhere. He ran away again, huh? Yes. How are you?
Yan.
Love you too. I don't know if you can still, but
There.
Thank you. Wow.
Oh, from Bengal. Pasig yung Bengal.
Oh, happy birthday.
Just open it.
birthday.
Thank
That came from the San Juan Island in Washington. We were just there. It's delicious. You're gonna love it.
Oh, it's a whiskey or what?
It's a whiskey. Well, it's a brandy. Yeah.
Thank you.
Are we gonna open it?
Oh, ikaw naman. Uy, may regalo silang wine tsaka whiskey.
Whiskey.
Ni EXO, angkan.
Ano? Ang gusob ka. Amumo na. Bakit?
Kala ka di mo, ni Ferdinand.
Perdi.
Ferdi. Yeah, ni Ferdi.
Yeah.
Umano? Kala ka. Kala ka ni mama na kaya.
Ay, kalo. Puro 99.
Teacher ni Uncle Tony, si Mamang. Noon.
Pagkatapos no, doon tayo niya, ang chichitang niya, basta niya, urang kitain na ito, siglat na.
Ay, hello.
Ito.
Amoy na amoy yung... Yes. Ah, ito yun. Lucid. Oh.
This company is like affiliated for.
Yeah, we're working with them right now.
Yeah.
So I got a lease. So it's for I got it because I work for them, right?
Wow. Look at them.
TV, yeah.
You should show it to Bong.
Yeah.
Show it to Bong.
Did you see Bong today? No.
No, I don't think
Oh no.
Bong is how much is the price of cars? The cars for
it's
now
like
you got a Tesla
120.
now.
120?
because it's a big engine, it's a big battery, so you can. They start at 69. Yeah, so if you really practical range is this one practical range is more fun. So we drove from Seattle to Berkeley on a car.
Oh, Uncle, look at this, oh. Sa kanya. The Lucid, ang name ng kwan, ng brand. Ang make. Oh, you want to take it for... Nice. Nice body. Nice. But that's 120. Hello. That's 3 cars for us. Ayan si Uncle, oh. Nagsasounds na siya. Oh. Birthday boy. Hey, Taffy. How are you? Pagod na, Mr. V.
Pagod.
Kadarating lang namin, fresh na fresh pa kami. Ikaw.
Wala na. Parang ginahasa na.
Oh. Tawagin na si Mama doon, hindi umiimik, busy. Tapos, uy, ang ganda ng buwan. Ayan na. Tayo na yung mga last na umalis. Ayun. Look at the moon.
Unang lipadag na pilay, wala sa timing. Ganun ang style nun. Di ba, Bayaw? Pag lumipad, pagbagsak pilay, tapos. Yeah. Pass your paper. Pass your paper, finish or not finish.